Hey, those who are looking for a beautiful home on 5 incredible acres here in Meadow Vista, stop scrolling. I've got the home for you. Let's go check it out. Hey, thank you so very much for touring this incredible property here in the heart of Meadow Vista, where you will not be disappointed. If you like a personal tour, feel free to reach out, Eric Catch Century 21, and we'll see you at the next one.